Hello everyone, and welcome to another Construction Online training video. I'm Alex, and in this video we will be covering calendar settings and preferences. To start, we're going to be integrating with a cloud sharing software. We can choose integrations under our account settings. Here we can turn on our integrations with Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. These integrations allow us to send Construction Online calendar events to one of these services. This will only send and not receive the calendar events. Additionally, this will send to a personal calendar, but not to a shared drive. Schedules don't sync directly like the calendar events do. However, those can also be exported to Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar. Next, also from our main drop-down menu, we can set our calendar and time settings. Here we consider visible calendar items, our default settings and integration, and our time zone and work hours. Clicking any of these options will open the calendar settings window. Here again, we can see the visible items, default settings and integration, and time zone and work hours. These calendar settings are also accessible from within the calendar itself. To see this, let's open a project calendar. Navigate to the left sidebar to open a project, and navigate to calendars and schedules. In the top right corner, we can click the gear icon, which opens the calendar settings menu like we saw before. The first tab in the calendar settings menu is the visible items. This allows us to choose what will be or what will not be visible within the calendar, including calendar events, the schedule, any delays from project logs, any to-dos, and so on. The second tab, the default settings and integration tab, allows us to choose whether or not we'll be sending this calendar's events to Google or Outlook Calendar. The last tab, the time zone and work hours tab, allows us to set our time zone for our calendar events. The event time zone can be determined automatically or set manually. Finally, we can set our work hours. Next, let's go to the company calendar to see how those settings differ. To do so, go to your left sidebar and choose Calendar under the company header. In the gear icon for the company calendar, most of the settings will remain the same for the visible items and the time zone and work hours. However, in default settings and integration, we can choose what our default calendar will be for new events, and we can apply our integration settings across all of our calendars. Additionally, in the company calendar, we have the Show Hide menu. This is located in the schedule categories. Here, we can choose which calendars are shown or not shown on the company calendar. This includes all of our project calendars and any of our custom calendars. We can also create new custom calendars using the gray plus button in the custom calendars list. Here we can name the calendar, assign resources to the calendar, set the calendar color, and choose if we're going to integrate this calendar. That covers calendar settings and preferences in Construction Online. Thanks for watching. Check out our other videos or our knowledge base to learn more about calendars in Construction Online.